I'll apologise again in advance for the sound because I know it's bad, but I'm messing about with cameras and sound insulation and stuff, so it's not going to sound the best at the moment. However, hear that echo? Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I need to deal with that in this room, so I've started to put some sound panelling on the wall. I need to buy some more now. It is starting to make a bit of a difference over here. See, much flatter, which is what I want. But there is still like a massive echo because I've got like this flat wall here against this corners up in the ceiling. So I need to deal with that. And as much as I don't find it as aesthetically pleasing as I would like, I'm gonna have to put sound deadening up. So that's what I'm on with today. Do need to buy some more. Think about another 8 panels. I haven't got enough mounting tape to do those, so I'll order that tonight. Hopefully get the remainder in for tomorrow, and come around this side, which is where I do the majority of my recording. Get some half tiles, make a nice strip. Wow, I don't know where the lens is on this one. There we are. Yeah, a nice kind of aesthetic strip around the wall. And I'm also going to do something about, I've been trying to put a horizontal crossbeam between the 2 vertical stands that I've got my key light and my hair light on. However, finding a bracket that is 37.8 millimeters in diameter for the poles has turned out to be somewhat difficult, to say the least. So what I've ended up doing is buying a bracket that will go on the back of the monitor on the VESA mount, and that will allow me to position a DSLR where I've got the Brio now pointing down at me. So I'll have camera A and camera B up there with a tertiary camera that will be the Brio. That'll give me a nice range of angles in this room, and then that will give me a couple of options in terms of set, as it were. That sounds a little bit pretentious, doesn't it? I'm sorry. So from my other channel at least, and some of this, I'll be able to shoot the usual angle here, which will get this nice background in. I'll be able to shoot from this camera, this direction, which gives me a nice depth of field, lets me get some of my Transformers collection in, or I will be able to shoot this way, which gives me a nice interesting background when this is lit, and I can have different coloured lights on this wall compared to this wall, because I've got some smart lighting set up that I can direct depending on like the scene I want to create. That should give me a nice amount of versatility at a fairly low expenditure, because I've not actually spent anything that I didn't already have at the moment other than some mounting tape. So that's it. I'm pretty tired, to be honest. I'm gonna go and have some wine. It's been a heavy few days. The garden is now also finished, so winning that, and I can get back to this. I have more stuff that I want to do with the equipment and setup. I'm constantly tweaking it, and I know, but that's the only way to learn, is that progressive area approach, and that was the point in me doing these videos in the first place. So from any comments from people saying, oh, you're changing constantly, it's because I'm learning constantly, and that is the point in what I'm trying to do. Right, have a good weekend. I will speak to you all tomorrow, and until then, see ya.